Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the keyboard, for example in Messages, Notes, Browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen and then enter the settings. Now let's tap on the languages, and as you can see, this is the list of all currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which you can choose. Of course, you don't have to swipe, just enter the search icon, and after finding your language, simply tap on it, and let me pick the Urdu one. Let's tap. Sometimes you will be able to pick the region, so just tap on the one you like to set. And here we've got the keyboard types. Depending on the language, you will be able to, for example, pick only one or even up to 7 different keyboard types, which are available for this particular language. And let me show you how to apply this keyboard layout. So all we have to do is to tap on it, so it will be marked, and then tap on this one to untick it. So it simply means that only this layout will be applied. So let's tap on Done, and as you can see, the Urdu has been applied to this list. So let's go back to the keyboard and check. And basically here we will have two differences. So the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language, and in a second you will be able to see the second one, so the spacebar, because it will be not empty. So let me tap on the globe icon. As you can see, I've just switched to the Urdu one, and the name of the language is applied to the spacebar. So basically I've just shown you how to add the language to the keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really want to have 2 or 3 different languages, you just want to have one. So let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here in this step, if you will add new language here, we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, and now we can mark the language we want to remove. So for example, the old language you had applied. I will remove Urdu, because I feel more confident in English, and then after marking, tap on the trash bin icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, we've got only English left, and from the keyboard the globe icon will disappear and the spacebar will be empty, as it was at the very beginning of the video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.